In which country is Karbala, the holy city of Shia Muslims, located? Answer is option D, Iraq. Tashkent city is located. Answer is option B, Uzbekistan. Friends, Tashkent is the capital of Uzbekistan and this city is associated with the Tashkent Declaration of January 10, 1966. Actually, the Tashkent Agreement was signed between India and Pakistan on January 10, 1966. It was a peace agreement. This agreement was signed on January 11, 1966 in Tashkent, Soviet Union, present-day Uzbekistan. After long talks between India's Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri and Pakistan's President Ayub Khan. Independence movement of Vietnam was headed by. Answer is option B, Ho Chi Minh. Friends, if you understand in detail, Ho Chi Minh was a Vietnamese communist dictator who was Prime Minister and President of the Democratic Republic of Vietnam. In 1930, he founded the Communist Party of Vietnam and in 1941 founded the independence movement. Name of Japan's parliament is. Answer is option A, Diet. Friends, the Japanese legislature is known as the National Diet. The National Diet of Japan is its bicameral legislature. Its lower house is called the House of Representatives of Japan and the upper house is called the House of Councillors. Its members are directly elected by the people. The capital of Japan is Tokyo and its official language is Japanese. The currency of Thailand is. Answer is option C, Baht. Avesta, also called Jain Avesta, is the sacred book of. Answer is option A, Zoroastrianism. Friends, the most essential texts of Zoroastrianism are those of the Avesta. The Avesta also contains the basic teachings of Zoroaster known as the Gatha. A fire temple in Zoroastrianism is the place of worship for Zoroastrians, usually called Dar-e-Mehar or Agiari. The Wailing Wall is associated with blank. Answer is option D, Jews. Friends, Wailing Wall, also called Western Wall, in the old city of Jerusalem, a place of prayer and pilgrimage, was made to surround or enclose the second temple of Jerusalem. It is called Wailing Wall because of the practice of Jews weeping at the sight over the destruction of the temples by the Romans during Roman rule. Which of the following religion is not originated in India? Answer is option D, Zoroastrianism. Inhabitants of which civilization introduced the first drainage system? Answer is option B, Indus Valley Civilization. Friends, if you understand in detail, the Indus Valley Civilization system of underground drainage was the most distinctive aspect of the town layout. It is recognized as the first drainage system in the world by its inhabitants. When was Pakistan's capital Islamabad was built? Answer is option C, in the 1960s. Friends, Pakistan gained independence in the year 1947 and the southern port city of Karachi was the first national capital. The city of Islamabad was built to replace Karachi as Pakistan's capital. However, the capital was not directly replaced from Karachi to Islamabad, but was initially moved from Karachi to Rawalpindi and then later to Islamabad. It became the capital of Pakistan on 14th August 1967. Which side did Japan fight on in World War First? Answer is option A, with the United Kingdom against Germany. Indonesia was a colony of which of the following countries? Answer is option D, Dutch. Which Chinese rulers built the Great Wall of China? Answer is option B, Qin Shi Huang. The Crimean War was fought between whom in 1854 to 56? Answer is option A, Russia and Turkey. Friends, the Crimean War began in 1854 and ended in 1856. In this war, the combined forces of Britain, France and Turkey defeated Russia. Bangladesh was created in. Answer is option C, 1971. Japanese folk tradition and ritual with no founder or single sacred scripture is popularly known as blank. Answer is option A, Shintoism. Who was the main advocate of fascism? Answer is option D, Mussolini. Whose teachings inspired the French Revolution? Answer is option B, Rousseau. The 100 Years' War was fought between which two countries? Answer is option A, England and France. Friends, if you understand in detail, the struggle between France and England called the 100 Years' War was the longest war in recorded history. It lasted with some interruptions through the reigns of 5 English kings, Edward III and Henry V, and 5 French kings, Philip VI to Charles VII. When was the Battle of Waterloo fought? Answer is option C, 1815. Friends, the Battle of Waterloo, which took place in Belgium on June 18, 1815, was marked as the final defeat of Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon rose through the ranks of the French army during the French Revolution and seized control of the French government in 1799. He became emperor in 1804.